If you've been living with that constant ringing in the ears, the high-pitched noise that never stops, you know how exhausting it can be. It's not just annoying. It steals your focus, your sleep, and your peace of mind. But what if that noise wasn't something you had to live with forever? New research shows that tinnitus isn't just an ear problem. It's a signal of deeper imbalances in your brain and nervous system. Inflammation, poor circulation, and neurotransmitter disruption can all contribute to the noise you hear. That's why most treatments fail. They don't address the root cause. But now, a breakthrough formula is helping thousands experience real tinnitus relief without drugs, surgeries, or masking devices. It's a natural hearing supplement designed to calm the nervous system, restore hearing, and bring back mental clarity. This formula combines powerful ingredients like Alpha-GPC, GABA, L-Dopa Bean, and Moomiyo, each one backed by science to support brain health, reduce stress, and improve auditory function. Together, they work to silence the noise from within. People are reporting life-changing results: ringing reduced or completely gone, sharper hearing and clearer conversations, deep, restful sleep and improved mood, focus, calm, and mental clarity restored. This isn't about coping with tinnitus. It's about reversing the internal chaos that causes it, and giving your brain and ears the support they need to heal naturally. If you've tried everything and nothing worked, if you're tired of the buzzing, the frustration, and the silence that never comes, then stay with me. Because what you're about to discover could finally bring the peace and quiet you've been searching for.